Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Jira with Bitbucket so you can automate your development workflow, track code changes directly within your tasks, and keep your entire team synced in 2026. Let's get into it. First, access the product settings in Jira. The first step is navigating to the Global Configuration Hub, where Jira manages its connections to external DevOps tools. Log into your Jira software instance. Look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the Settings gear icon, then select Jira Apps from the drop-down menu. On the left-hand sidebar, scroll down until you find the Integrations section and click on DVCS Accounts. In 2026, the DVCS Distributed Version Control System menu is the brain of Jira's connectivity. By starting here, you are accessing the secure gateway that allows Jira to talk to Bitbucket. This ensures that every commit, branch, and pull request is visible inside your Jira tickets, eliminating the need for manual status updates. Next, connect your Bitbucket account. Now that you're in the integration menu, you need to establish a secure link between your Jira Cloud instance and your Bitbucket workspace. Click the blue Link Account button in the top right corner, select Bitbucket as your host provider. A pop-up will appear asking for authorization. Ensure you are logged in to the Bitbucket account that owns the repositories, and click Grant Access. This is the authentication phase. In 2026, Atlassian uses a unified OAuth 2.0 handshake. By granting access, you are creating a bidirectional data pipe. This means not only can Jira see your code, but Bitbucket can also see your Jira issues, allowing you to create branches directly from a Jira ticket with just one click. Lastly, choose your repositories and sync. With the accounts linked, you must now decide which specific code repositories should be visible to your Jira project. Jira will display a list of all available Bitbucket workspaces. Select the workspace you want to sync. You can choose to auto-link new repositories, recommended for 2026 workflows, or manually toggle specific repos on and off. Click Finished to start the initial data sync. Organization is vital for large teams. By selecting Auto-Link, you ensure that any future projects your developers start in Bitbucket are automatically tracked by Jira. During this initial sync, Jira scans your commit history for issue keys like PROJ123, instantly populating your existing tickets with historical code data. And that's pretty much it. To integrate Jira with Bitbucket in 2026, navigate to Product Settings, DVCS Accounts, click Link Account to authorize Bitbucket, and sync your repositories. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.